How to make a car dealership website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it and I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button, get started, and choose what type of website you want to create. So we need car dealership, automobile dealers. I think this one is the best option, or used vehicle shopping. You can choose another one. What do you want to do with your website? You can sell services, sell products, build community, publish a blog or other media, promote an event or projects, promote a physical business. I think for car dealership website we can have only these two points, but you can choose another one. Feel free to choose whatever you want. How would you like to start building your website? You can build it with AI or you can browse templates. To be honest guys, I'm not a big fan of AI, so I'm gonna choose this one because I really like to choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. And now all you have to do is just choose the template that you think is the best for you. As you can see, we don't have any cars template. That is bad, but don't worry, we can make it by ourselves, because you can just pick a random template and fully rework it to have the site that we really need and we want to create, you know. So okay, let's add a portfolio here, and so guys, I chose this one. Now it's about plans and parts, but don't worry, we will fully rework it. So but now we start with this design. And guys, squarespace.com is the best option to create a website, because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use website to create your own website. That's why I highly recommend you to try this, to try squarespace.com. And now we need to create site name. Let's just name it let's dealership. Some tips, we don't need them, and click edit. First of all, let's delete this plans background. Click on edit section, background, replace, and you can add your own image from your computer. You can upload file, or you can use free images from squarespace.com. For an example, for this video I'm gonna use free images, but you maybe should use your own images. So for example, this one. Now we have a background that is matches for our video, and we need to change this text. Just select this text, as you can see, and delete it and write whatever you want. For example, uh, like this. Shop now, yes. As you can see, you can change the placement of text or of any element, change the size, uh, the entire interface of the site. As you can see, it's very clear to any user. You need to rework every section, edit content. To edit this section, source section, you need to go to this menu, and with this menu you can manage some stuff about your website. You can manage products and services, and you can add a product. Also, you can manage some stuff about invoicing, content and membership, donation, scheduling, analytics. You can have your analytics, you can check the traffic of your website. Also, you can change amount of pages, you can change the order of pages, you can delete some of them. You can add a new page, or you can change styles of your website, themes, fonts, colors, buttons, forms, whatever you want. You can remove whole section, you can add new section, any section you want. You can add a blank section like this, and you can add the content, add the block, add the text, image, video, audio, form, button, whatever you want. So guys, I was wrong about this section. You can edit it from here. You need to click this button, edit content, and I deleted previous items, and you can add a new item here. I already added this car, Ford. You can change the title, for example, Ford. I don't really know what is this Ford actually. Doesn't really matter. Also, you can put a price here, change button text, for example, buy, and you can link this button to another website or to whatever you want. Image, text. So here, add an image. For example, this Nissan GTR, maybe, don't really know. So very easy site about plants and pots, turning into site about cars, and the cars dealership website is now almost ready. As you can see, in general the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend you to try this by yourself. The entire interface of the site is very clear to any user. And when you're done editing your website, you need to save changes, click exit, and if you want to publish your website so anyone can see it, you need to upgrade your account. You need to select a plan, simple plans, simple prices, only pay for what you really need. And when you're done, instead of this subscribe button, you have a publish button, also blue one. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something new. I really like this site. Nice looking. And thank you for watching. See you soon.